Let's talk about home appliances. Home appliances has been part of humankind since then, from the vintage refrigerators to 3D electric fans that were advertised way back late 1900s. These appliances accomplishes household functions such as cleaning, cooking, and even make our lives more comfortable and easier. Sometimes we neglect whether it's small, big, expensive or not. It doesn't matter, as long as it functions properly, it's good to go.
With the discovery of electricity, people harnessed the power.
and took advantage of it by making mind-blowing appliances.
But people think back then that it was impossible. And with the advancement of technology, it turned into a reality.
We have a refrigerator, acts as a storage to cool our foods and drinks, our electric fans to make us feel refreshed during the sunny days, and our air conditioning units that creates a cold atmosphere in our room.
But sadly, we have to pay for it. These appliances are not only generating power, but also our monthly bill. And sometimes,
We ponder, why is my electricity bill skyrocketed for the past months during the summer? Well, there are different factors that we should consider.
first, we use the appliances at the same time.
Like for example, watching a television accompanied by the cold air being produced by the air conditioning unit. At the same time, we're having the laundry in a washing machine.
The surge of energy that is flowing is higher compared to the only using one.
Second, we are not turning off the appliances when it's not being used. We sometimes forget to unplug it whenever we go outside or do other activities.
And lastly, our appliances are not functioning well, leading to maximum input but minimum output. Like for example, the electric blaze of the electric fan. It produces much enough energy, but why is it not enough and it's still hot?
Like a human body, appliances need proper attention and care. The examples that I've mentioned are like human lungs. We can breathe comfortably if there are any dust or debris from the air we breathe.
Just as the lungs, the appliances can't work properly if it is in bad health. Thus, we should maintain stable conditions by
Cleaning the clogged dust in the air filters in order for it to function well.
for the electric fan, cleaning twice a month is advisable. For the air condition, air filters should be cleaned at least every 2 weeks according to the famous brand, Daikin.
Access your filters in the system of your air conditioning. Use a vacuum cleaner and clean your air filters thoroughly. Rinse the air filters for a deeper clean. You may use a small amount of detergent or liquid soap to remove the small particulates and dust. Dry your air filters, and after drying, gently assemble your air conditioning unit together with cleaned filters. By this simple method of cleaning the air filters of our appliances, we achieve an optimal result and better performance. Moreover, according to the Department of Energy, reports have shown that replacing air filters or cleaning them can reduce energy consumption up to 15%.
So for example, if your monthly bill is 2,500 pesos, you could save 375 pesos by just cleaning and washing your air filters. So it's worth the clean. Take to consider, our common appliances such as electric fans, air conditioning units, and refrigerators takes up most of our energy consumption.
The amount of money that we can save can make our wallet happy.
But are there any disadvantages of cleaning your air filters? Well, there is. One of it is cost of maintenance.
If you're not familiar in cleaning your air filters, you may opt to have someone to clean it. There are different air conditioning cleaning services that will do their job. You don't have to worry because you're in the good hands. They also do checkups and maintenance, and it may seem cost you some money from your wallet, but still, it's a win-win situation. Another disadvantages of cleaning of air filters is that it has a limit. Once the stress of cleaning is enough, but too much of it can lead to burnouts and damage in its filters. Thus, it is better to buy a new one that fits in your unit.
Cleaning air filters should be a tradition for each household. Not only they can save their money, but also their energy. Thus, let's do the cleaning.